This is the second building over Unit 3. There's a gapping. Okay, you're supposed to have 10-inch gap anytime this edge trim overlaps. It's supposed to be 10 inches. Okay, coming over here, the underlayment is fine. Two wooden chase chimneys with metal prefab fireplaces and chimney caps. None of these chimneys have crickets. This is the second one. I'm going to went up on the south side. Structure faces west. So right now I'm over unit number 3. Okay, moving on along. That's wind damage right there. We're missing some granules. See all those black pot marks? Okay, so this roof is showing some signs of wear. Quite a few signs of wear. Let's say it's in the second half. And then here we go again. Is that my imagination? What's going on here? Because it is light and there's so many granules missing. Gonna need a second opinion about that, but that looks like impact damage. Looks like some hail damage. Again, it'll take a roofer to call that out. All these pot marks. Okay, we can't see it this direction. You see my shadow the other direction. Can't win. Wind damage. Alright, these two chimneys, always the south one looks like it takes the worst beating. I mean, that's to be expected. This is a lower slope roof than the other one. I can just about dance on this one. Coming on along. Got quite a few loose shingles. No damage on the soft metal. We've been talking about that. Skylights on both units, all 4 units, both structures. See what's been painted like this? That damage happened before the paint. Coming on along. Okay, I thought I was going to see something exciting, but these are wet shingles is what we're looking at here. Okay. Do see some damage. All right. I don't know what that is. Let's call it hail damage, impact damage. It's torn. Welcome to North Texas. I just wonder how much of this stuff goes unreported sometimes. More. That was a good one right there. You can see where the hail made the indention into it real good. That was a healthy one. Back on the south side now. Got some wood damage on the vertical trim board right in there. Some more damage. Sure would have been nice if they'd put crickets on those chimneys.